Hi everyone and welcome back to today's morning report on Tuesday the 2nd of June with me, Rich Perry, market analyst at Handtech Markets. Let's look at cable now. Sterling dollar is rallying today. You've just had out the construction PMI for the UK and it's coming positively, and that has helped to drive cable higher. Interestingly, on this chart, this 50% retracement, 51.89, slightly breached yesterday. 51.68 was the low, so 20 pips to the downside. But still, you would argue that that is an element of consolidation potentially, and it's helping to have this move today. But you'd say that on this chart, momentum indicators pretty much across the board are still all negative. Slight slowing of the stochastics, but you'd still say that they are in negative configuration despite that. Now, the hourly chart. This is the interesting chart here, because let me just show you. 55-hour moving average, that has been hit on the last 1, 2, 3, 4 days. It's just rallied to that now. 52.47 is that hourly RSI. Interestingly, sorry, on hourly 55-hour moving average. The hourly RSI is up to 55 again. A point at which in the past 4 days we've seen the selling pressure coming through every day at this level. Hourly MACD lines still negative, and also the hourly stochastics have already sort of started rolling over. So interesting that we're seeing this. I think this is another chance to sell. I think that you've got all this stepped decline where you see, if I get the crosshairs going here, basically 80 pips every day. We've seen from the rally from the low to the high, 80 pips every day. What we've seen, a low at 51, around 51.70, and a rally high so far around that 52.50 level. So again, 80 pips is the rally that we've seen. This has happened every day for the past 4 days. So we've had that rally now, so it'll be interesting to see if this starts to fall over, because I think it could well be another sell signal that we're seeing. Just that construction PMI rally was in that last hourly candle has just started to roll over again. So interesting that we're seeing this move. You've got a fair bit of overhead resistance, 52.50, but then 53 figure, which coincide with all these highs from 29th and 1st intraday highs, and also the 27th low as well. So between 52.50 and 53 figure, there's a fair bit of resistance, although obviously we've got this 55-hour moving average that is the basis of resistance. So really interesting rally that we've had in the last hour, and it's already rolling over. Is this your chance to sell? It could well be. I think it's being very interesting. You've got this daily chart, which gives me a little bit of caution because of this 50% Fibonacci retracement, although it could just be a consolidation before further downside, because it certainly is pretty weak in this cable chart. Although you would argue, again, at some stage in the coming days, you're probably going to get a bit of a technical rally to get another lower high. However, I still see that rallies are a chance to sell, and certainly on the intraday basis, you'd say that you've had this 80 pip rally once again, and it is your chance to sell on a very short-term basis. Medium term, I think you're beginning to get possibly into the realms of a little bit of consolidation time that might well induce a bit of a technical rally. However, I still see weakness ultimately in due course, and a test of that 50.88 low. But very interesting that we've seen this hourly move in the last couple of hours that's rallied up towards that 55-hour moving average once again. So very interesting chart on cable today. So I wish you good luck in your trading, and I'll speak to you later.